He's probably wondering why I haven't fed him yet. He, she. But I just got home. I have been out watching eagles after PT. Yeah, I'm here. I'll get you some food. So, we're going to switch from lots of eagle videos to some squirrels. So, see you soon. You want some food? I got you some. Huh? Oh, looky, we have a little birdie over here. Okay, it's easier for me to walk around the tree. I'm sure it was just Chippy that. It just takes a while to get over here. Where are you? Hello there. Up close and personal. Chippy, you're Chippy. So come down here and look at that.